Super late catching this trade. Almost took me out. Waiting to see. I think this is actually going to break the low. Remember that green vector that was hanging out down here? Yeah, it's coming back for it. I really want to see if they can take this. I picked this up because there was a M microstructure. Came back up, failed. It came back up just a tick higher and failed again. We had a blue vector on the one, blues, green showing themselves. But again, this looks like a possible reversal for me. So I want to see if they can actually take out yesterday's low again. Otherwise, we are going to close out this trade. Oh, and we have a gap right there. See if we can get one more push to eat the rest of this. They might flush it though. 731. So we'll do 732. Let's see if we can get a wick down there to clear it out. Let's see if I can do it. So again, our entry was at 775. Looked like it was a fast rejection. It was pretty fast up here. This looks like it could be turning around. VWAP. I mean, not VWAP. Bollinger Bands are outside. I'm trying to make a... We need one snap down. See if I can do one snap down and take out that 732, because that is right there. Oh, I think it is going to take it. I've got two red vectors on the 5 in a row. Come on, clean it out. Come get it. I don't want this to just reverse and pop back up, so I am going to move my stops to break even, or not break even. I'm going to trail my stops to the top of this range. It could be a possible reversal, so let's just kind of watch this for a second. I want to see it push down again, break the previous wick. Okay, we're going to trail this on the 15-second each candle. This looks like it could flip, so got a trail. Okay, we're going to trail the wick. We really don't want this to be a perfect double bottom, but buyers could be stepping in at yesterday's low. Come on. Come on, come. Oh, and it gapped. We are going to come down and fill this, I think. So I'm going to close everything. Let's switch to... Man, look at this. So I'm curious to see, look at all these wicks. I think we could actually get another short entry here. Be very, very short. Short entry. Gaps. We have a gap all the way up here. Yep, they might just... No, look. Yeah. So I'm just going to show this account that I'm working on. If I can scroll it up a little bit more. It's not wanting to work. Yep, I think we could have held that short from up here. See what it does. Look like a W on the 15. Kinda does look like a W on the 15 second. I just don't like how this imbalance is sticking out here still. And we have no green vectors pushing up to show volume coming in. All they did was fill this little gap. Is there no sound? Hang on 1 second. Let me see if this works.
Stop.
There should be sound. Now is there sound? Anybody? Can you hear me? Sound? Sound. Cool, that takes care of that. Okay, well, I am done trading for the day. I just want to make sure that the sound is working. But notice how there is gaps right here when they pushed up really fast, a gap here and a gap here on the 15-second fast move. They came all the way back into it to give you another entry for a possible long. I'm not actually going to take this just because I know that there's still imbalances below yesterday low. Those imbalances come to, I don't know, and it's actually if they take out this imbalance, then they'll probably sweep the low. Yep, here's the continuation lower. Probably flush the daily low. We seriously have to find some music. This music's gonna kill me. I'm gonna go to sleep. Notice we still have this imbalance. They have not taken it, so I'm not willing to go long yet. There we go. They're going to sweep it with a slight gap above. Could flip if it wants to. Okay. Yep. Now we're going to go take the low. Maybe. Sure is what it seems like. This 15-minute imbalance. There's also a 5-minute imbalance down here at 657. If we break the low, that's the target. Now we're getting a red vector coming back to the lows. I don't know if I trust this yet. Would this be the perfect W, double bottom for the session? I don't know. I don't like this. Yesterday low, we did leave a gap, come back up, fill it. But now we have gaps here again. Violet vector at the lows. Oh, this is good. This is good for a reversal. Violet's, it's got to be able to hold yesterday's low. I want to try something. I'm going to try buying one in this gap and see what happens. Let's see if I get filled or not. Ooh, that almost looks too strong, huh? Are they really going to? Oh, they hit it. Okay, yeah, I'm in. There, now we're in. We're in on the gap. That means now we are going to put a stop, sell one stop right there below that. And the target is going to be back to the VWAP, which we'll just play it safe and go for 766. 766, and that could be, but honestly, we could probably go and take out all the way to 851. Look at this thing. Opened it in the gap. That's what you want to do. Knowing that they're going to come back for the gap fills. El Gapperoonie. Like we're already halfway back. Maybe we should hold out and go for the highs, huh? Man, I think we're going to get it. I think that we are going to get it. 768, 790, 768, 768, 767, Eh. Okay, so that's about where the VWAP is. So they could still come back down to 729. Oh, my stop is at 728. Oh my gosh. Let's see how this works out. I don't know. That's interesting. Picked it up in a gap. Does look like it wants to come back down. Retest yesterday low again. 734. I feel like having this just a couple ticks. I'm just asking to get taken out. Okay, so it took the body of that green vector. I really want to see it hold right here because that is yesterday's low. We keep working yesterday's low, like over and over. So I wonder if this is the start to like power hour. This is lunchtime though. Oh, there's a gap to go back into. Gap right here. Just gonna want to fill that gap. Gap filled. Ooh, I'm getting a nice push up there. Some follow through. Obviously everything looks like follow through on the 15-second. Hey, it's Awatas. Surprised that you're still awake. Isn't it late of it? No, it's not that late. About 6 o'clock. Seven. Ah, I was close. I was so close. It's almost 12 here. Coming back off of power hour. Not power hour, lunchtime. Let's see, New York. It's 12 here, it's 1 there. Will NASDAQ go back to the VWAP? Looks like it. It's going to come back down though for that. Yep, came back, filled the gap. Let's see. There was no gaps lower than the gap that I went long on, so I'm going to wait, but let's see. They lose yesterday's low. Actually, we'll just put this at break even. Okay, so it looks like it's going to actually take us out. Very likely that we get taken out here. Unless it holds yesterday low. That looks promising. Unless they fail right here. Boy, they keep working orders down here the whole session. I could see this easily going back to like daily open. $7.95. Just we keep building in this area. We've been stuck sideways all day. Looks like it's slowly working its way down. Looks like if it takes me out, it's gonna pop right back the other way again. So we have like selling pressure, just keep pushing down, pushing down. It's like everybody's waiting for a Trump tweet. Yes, this range has been, I want to say it's been like cutthroat. It's just been, today's been horrible. It's absolutely horrible. But yet we're holding yesterday's low. So it's like, just how patient do we have to be? There's the push. I'm gonna actually add one here. But I'm definitely doing break even. Sell one stop. Okay, so I've got 2 contracts on. See if we can take it back to VWAP. VWAP is sitting at 767. Yeah, both of these look okay. I'll take them just below VWAP. Make life easier here. I think that could be the final push for the day, though. Ah, blue vector on the 1. Dang it! Why do they have to do this to me? Just ignore that vector for now. Just ignore it. It's okay. Come on, NASDAQ. So are you still trading just NQ, Avitas, or are you trading gold? Or anything else entertaining? Looks like it's going to come back down and retest yesterday's low again. Yep, we're just going to close here. Hang on. We have like Apex Nadir here in the middle again. So gold in London in NQ in New York. Here, I'm going to take one off the books in case it comes back down into that, which it looks very likely. There's a gap there, isn't there? In fact, we're going to take both off if it comes back down again. As much as I want it to go up, it doesn't have to. See if we can actually push through the 50 and hold. Through the 50, my friend, through the 50. Have you been finding good moves in London? On gold? I was watching it for a while. I just couldn't seem to catch a... If only we had a button. I just couldn't seem to catch the timing on gold has been my thing. I think I've gotten so used to NASDAQ that I have a harder time trading gold. This should push up again. I think I'm actually going to look at taking profit at 758. 75467. Yeah, let's try 758. And then call it a day. I don't like this long wick right here. I'm going to trail this one up here actually. I'll put it here. It can choose if it wants to take this level or not. Come back, it'll probably come back, retest, and then go take the higher. Oh, okay, so there went both. I need to close out these other two. So that is it for me today, unfortunately. Gold coming out of Asia and inside the London Brinks. I'm gonna have to look at that. Actually, before I go anywhere, because it is lunchtime for Pozo. Gold. Let's look at like the 5 and the 15. Oh wait, this one didn't change. Where's gold? There's gold. Ooh, gold just keeps selling off. Oh, that's nice. That's crazy. Hold on. So, opened. Are you just catching like a continuation? Oh, have a good one. I'm gonna cut it anyway. I am gonna go back and look at this nice W. A retrace back into the EMAs, double wicks, continuation higher. Came all the way back down. Wow, no wonder it came back. To fill all the imbalances from Asia. Huh. I might actually have to start looking at this more often. It's also at yesterday's low. That's crazy. 30 to 100 points. Yeah, that's awesome. Alrighty, well, have a good night. I'm going to hop off and go get some lunch. It's good hearing from you. This does look like a continuation up, just keeps grinding. Oh well, I'm done. It's a good day.